the red-billed tropic bird. Short, pointed wings give it great manoeuvrability and speed. During the breeding season, these flying skills are tested to the limit with thieves. Magnificent frigate birds known as man-of-war birds patrol high above. Success! A favourite attack is from behind and at height. There goes the fish. Another victory. This tropic bird chick still awaits the return of its parent, who has yet to run the gauntlet of the pirates. He can just reach the cliffs, he'll be safe. He's made it, with his crop still full of fish. Red-billed life.